I'm dreaming in dreams bigger than me, taking my time, giving to me, paint my life into a masterpiece.
Hello everybody and welcome here. So now we will discuss about Oriental Region. Oriental Region is essentially formed of Asia and includes its tropical part such as India, Pakistan excluding Balochistan, Sri Lanka, Burma, Malaysia, Indonesia, Indochina, Southern China and Philippines. Now, physical features. It is separated from Palearctic by Himalayas in the north and is bounded by Indian Ocean and Pacific Ocean on its other sides. Now, climate. The climate of Oriental Region is mainly tropical. The temperature in the southern part is almost constant and seldom higher than 30 degrees Celsius. In northern part, in autumn and winter, the temperature lies between 10 to 20 degrees Celsius, rising in spring and summer. Zoological characteristic. In this region, the terrestrial vertebrates are represented by 153 families, of which 10 are peculiar and unique to this region. These are as follows. Mammals. Mammals include Halobatidae, Tarsidae, Tupalidae, and Gallipithecidae. So the mammals which are confined to Oriental regions are orangutan monkeys, Indian elephant, rhinoceros, Malayan tapir, pandas, four-horned antelope, sloth, bears, anteater and spring dormice, etc. So birds. So it include Euryalmidae, orioles, thrushes, bulbuls, bluebirds, bee-eaters, pigeons, wavier birds, and kingfisher. Now reptiles. So it include Elagistodontidae, Europaltidae, Lanthanotidae, Gavialidae, Platysternidae. So the reptiles which are particularly present in this area, it include vipers, kraits, cobras, pythons, lizard, geckos, skinks, varanus. Crocodile are widespread and gavials are confined to this region. Big-headed turtle are confined to this region. Turtle and tortoise both are present. Now fishes. Fishes fauna is very rich and we see the dominance of caprinids. So this is all about Oriental Region. In the next lecture, we will discuss further. Up to that, thanks for watching.